welcome to the Dynamic CCTV Technical video. Today we're going to take a quick look at Hikvision's Android-based intercom indoor station. There's two models available. One comes with a 7-inch LCD screen, the other comes with a 10-inch, so a slightly bigger unit. So the 7-inch screen is a DS-KH9310-WTE1, and the 10-inch version is a DS-KH9510-WTE1. All of the other indoor stations in the range have always come with a Linux-based operating system. The beauty of having an Android-based operating system is it can actually take advantage of having other Android apps installed on it for other home automation systems or functions that are app controlled. You can install the apps on this indoor station and actually take control of those systems or home automation devices through the indoor station, as well as using this particular device for obviously intercom, receiving intercom calls, and obviously letting on choosing not to let whoever it is that's calling in to the premises. So these particular units are IP based. They can be powered from PoE or from conventional 12 volt DC source, and they're compatible with the other indoor stations in the range, the Linux based ones, and they're also compatible with all of the IP modular outdoor stations and also the villa stations as well. So this particular unit is one of the stainless steel outdoor stations. This is the DS-KD8003 IME1-S, and the S at the end is the identifier for a stainless steel unit. So we've got the modular outdoor station. The sub-modules are available in a stainless steel range, so you can get the keypad, you can get the name tag, etc. in the sub-modules, and you can also get the enclosures well to house those modules as well, and obviously customize your actual system. Just remember that the stainless steels all have the /S at the end of the model number when you're choosing these actual products, but these are suited for environments where system's going to be more exposed to the elements. They're also more robust in manufacturing, so can take a lot more wear and tear, so can be chosen for, you know, environments where they're going to get a lot more use, or there's a potential that they could receive attempted vandalism. And also again, the elements as well is another reason to choose these particular models. So this particular system is set up already. I've pre-configured it. I'm just going to zoom my camera in so you can see what's happening indoor screen. So you can see it looks more or less identical to the Linux-based indoor stations that are currently available. We've got obviously various options across the bottom. The calling through is more or less the same. We can answer the call, we can decline the call, we can open the door, and there's obviously me on the camera there, so I'm just going to end that particular call there. We've got obviously a message tab at the bottom, so all of the callers will have an image taken which can be displayed here, so you can see who's been and obviously try to get in touch with yourself and obviously gain access. We've got a voice message section, so if a caller comes and the call isn't answered, they can leave a voice message there and obviously listen back to that when you come back in. And we've also got an alarm log, which we've got an alarm log for the actual indoor station itself and also for HikConnect. With this being an Android based system, it can actually comes pre-installed with HikConnect, so you can take advantage of logging into your HikConnect account. If we click on this little radio button, we can enlarge the HikConnect, which I'm already logged into, and you can scroll through your devices. So you can view your connected CCTV system through HikConnect on this particular station, like so. We can live view there, and we can obviously bring our cameras up full screen or back into the quad. We've also got, or I've also got on this particular, on my HikConnect AX Pro system, so we can control, disarm, and obviously configure the AX Pro wireless alarm system as well through this particular Android station. We can arm the unit, put in my user arm disarm password. And we can see the system is now armed. We can receive a notification if the wireless alarm system is activated, which I'm just going to demonstrate. Like so. So we can receive a burglary alarm notification, and we can also disarm the unit as well. Like so, and that's the unit disarm. So all of these notifications are saved in the message tab at the bottom under HikConnect. You can see we've got our arming, burglar alarm, disarming messages, but we've also got further down some smart event push notifications from the CCTV system as part of HikConnect, which this can also receive. It can also notify you as well through a push notification as and when they take place, and you can click on each one and see what's going on. So there's myself there just pottering around at my desk like so. So another value added aspect of this particular station and its ability to actually obviously integrate with HikConnect as well. And we can also click on the AX Pro system tab and go into the configuration settings through HikConnect as well and make changes to the configuration. These particular units are also Wi-Fi compatible as well. So if they're going in locations where you can't obviously hardwire a physical network connection, as long as you can get power to it, then you can connect to the network via the Wi-Fi. The live view setting is something that you'll all be aware of from the conventional Linux-based range. You've got your indoor station live view there, which you can click on at any time. If you just want to see what's going on outside your door, you can do that. And we've also got the ability to live view any third-party cameras you might have added to the system as well. So, as I mentioned earlier, this particular unit is capable of receiving other Android-based apps. It can take up to 2 apps for, well, what could be anything that you want really, but obviously the obvious use would be for other home automation systems that are app-based, allowing you to control those from the same tablet. So we're going to switch over to iVMS 4200, where I'm just going to quickly show you how to upload an actual app to this particular unit. So we'll be back in 1 second.
Okay, I'm now on my iVMS 4200 VMS, where I've got both the outdoor station and also the Android based indoor station added. So in order to install an actual Android based app onto the indoor station, it's a very simple procedure. We just need to go to the tabs option top left hand corner and select access control. We've got various options on the left. We want to be looking at the application software tab, which is already highlighted on my unit. We tick the station in question. Obviously I've only got the one added, but obviously if you had multiple stations you'd be able to tick the indoor station you want to send the app over to. Upload application software. This allows us to choose a file path location, so I'm going to quickly choose my desktop, and you can see at the top I've got an APK file for the Nest app, the Nest Android app for central heating control. Its primary purpose. We can click OK. We then get a uploading status bar, which will go from 0 to 100%. This can take a little bit of time just to send across. And there you can see that the actual procedure has succeeded. It's telling us there it's succeeded, so that app has now been sent across to the Android station. So we can now go back to the actual indoor station, and we should be able to see the actual Nest app appear on the actual home screen of the actual indoor station. But that's the procedure basically in a nutshell. Very simple, very straightforward to conduct. So we'll go back to the indoor station and have a quick look at the actual Nest app.
So now back at the Android indoor station, you can see at the bottom right corner we've now got a Nest icon, having successfully installed the app from our iVMS 4200 moments earlier. This gives you the ability to now click on the icon, open the actual app, and take control of your central heating system from the Android indoor station. So another obviously very useful function of this particular device. If we switch up the screen and press the 0, we can come back out of the app. Like I said earlier, there's 2 of these. Now the capabilities are to install 2 of these apps onto the unit, and you can obviously take full control of whatever system it may be through this particular indoor station. So a lot of extra bells and whistles with this particular device. Extra functionality over the conventional Linux based units, obviously the ability to install Android based apps, the ability to log into your HikConnect to view, control and also receive alarm push notifications are all value added features of this particular Android based device. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any additional questions on this particular device on the Android stations, please get in touch with either your account manager or contact Dynamic CCTV's Technical Support Department direct, where we'll be more than happy to assist you. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.